Hey guys, so you're probably expecting a Halloween assembly. Unfortunately, due to some complications and timing issues, senior class wasn't able to make one. So yeah, that sucks, but like, happy Halloween.
Thank you. We might do it tomorrow. Okay. Charlie and Milton.
The Acapella Club is having a meeting tomorrow. We're learning a new song. You could say that it would be as easy as 1, 2, 3 to learn.
Easy as A, B, C.
Do re mi.
All right. And Isabel and Caroline for the world.
Hi guys, the world comes out today, so if you want to make the world a better place, pick up a copy.
The world, it looks great. Rebecca for cross country.
And Alex. So this weekend, cross country at Ginger, and it was one of the toughest courses we've ever run, and the girls really beat it out there. And everyone should congratulate Eileen, Annalise, and Kurt for making the state. They just, as we said, it's the hardest course we run, and they just beat it.
And Addie and Tori.
Hey guys, my phone was taken out of my locker sometime after school on Friday, so if that smooth criminal could please come forward, I'd appreciate it.
And on a separate note, can Billie Jean come on stage after assembly? Thank you.
Thank you. And Georgia for soccer.
This is for all girls interested in playing soccer this spring. I have something to give you guys, so if you could please meet me up at the stage after assembly. I know it seems pretty early, but we gotta be starting something.
All right. And Daniel for the review.
The review would like to encourage you to keep submitting all your material. Don't stop till we get enough.
Thank you. And Cameron and Jack for Aim High.
Hi guys. So Aim High was this Saturday, and as always, it was a huge success. So you guys should honestly consider becoming TAs. We're looking for some new ones. It's an opportunity.
We have another Aim High in 2 weeks, so just remember that if you want to make a change, you have to start with the man in the mirror.
Thank you. And Liz for court.
Hi everyone, we have court, not this Friday because there's no school, but next Friday like we do every Friday. You should all come take care of your court cases. I'll be there.
And Maddie and Lizzie for cheerleaders.
Hey guys, football had their last regular season game this Saturday and we won. The cheerleaders want to congratulate them for winning districts. We're headed into the playoffs now. We're really excited. It's going to be a real thriller.
Stenches in the air, the funk of 40,000 years, and grisly ghouls from every tomb are closed to seal your doom. No fashion to stay alive.